In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to capitalize on Temu's special affiliate program, a lucrative opportunity for earning money online. I'll delve you into the intricacies of signing up, selecting product, and promoting them effectively and optimizing your strategy for maximum returns. So let's begin by registering for the Temu's affiliate program. After you sign up, Temu's rewards you with a $5 bonus, a great incentive to kickstart your affiliate journey. Make sure to note down your unique coupon code as it's your ticket to earning a hefty 20% commission on each sale. Now onto product selection. Navigate to the bestseller section on Temu's platform and filter the results by the last 7 days. To ensure you are promoting trending items, look for product accompanied by videos as they tend to attract more attention from potential buyers. Simply download these videos for later use in your promotional efforts with your promotional materials in hand. It's time to leverage the power of Pinterest. If you are new to the platform, Pinterest is a visual discovery engine where US users seek inspiration and product signing up is quick and straightforward, and it provides an excellent opportunity to showcase your affiliate products to a wide audience. Simply create a pin for each product you intend to promote, uploading the corresponding video and crafting a compelling message. Simply highlight the $100 coupon code from Temu. You enticing potential buyers with savings they can enjoy. So don't forget to include your unique affiliate code to ensure you receive credit for any sales generated. Additionally, optimize your pins with relevant tags to increase their visibility and reach on the platform. Finally, schedule your pins strategically to ensure consistent exposure over time. The more pins you upload, the greater your chances of attracting clicks and driving sales with a well-executed strategy. You can harness the full potential of Temu's affiliate program and significantly boost your income. That concludes our in-depth tutorials on Temu's affiliate marketing. For more tips and strategies on growing your online income, simply click on the videos showing on the screen. Thanks for watching and happy affiliate marketing.